All right, guys. So I get a call from a client saying that they're having trouble accessing one of my apps. I turn on error reporting and I get this database error, error number 1286, unknown storage engine InnoDB. So I blanked out the details here. But so here we go. We got this problem. It's having trouble hitting InnoDB based tables. Just in case you don't know, you go to Google. What is InnoDB? InnoDB is a storage engine for the database management system MySQL. MySQL 5.5 and later use it by default. It provides standard ACID-compliant transaction features along with foreign key support. Then you have another style of database, if you will, called MyISAM. MyISAM is the default storage engine for MySQL relational databases. Major deficiency, though, is the absence of transaction support. I won't get into that now, but I just wanted to clarify what InnoDB was all about. So essentially what happened was that the database was not responding to user input, so the app was pretty much shut down. So what I did is I searched for unknown storage engine, InnoDB, and getting a ton of results on the web, which would suggest that the InnoDB tables in the system were corrupted. You see, you can have a database in MySQL where some of the tables are InnoDB and some of the tables are MyISAM. It depends on what you want to do. I won't get into that now. So looking on the web, there's all these elaborate fixes in terms of reconstructing the database and so forth. So the first thing I did was to see if I could load up a backup of the database from just an hour before. I back up the database twice a day remotely, and of course I got a failure in doing that, and so that wasn't going to work. So it looked pretty bad. It looked like the tables were corrupt. So then I get a report from the server, and this is the key line. Out of memory, the process MySQLD, that's the MySQL database, was terminated because the system is low on memory. Right here, status out of memory. So the first thing and the most important thing a nerd should do is to restart. A lot of times, restart will save the day. And in fact, that's what saved the day. So I did a restart on the MySQL server and everything was okay. So if you ever have a error where you're getting the unknown storage engine InnoDB error, first thing I would suggest that you do is that you try to restart the MySQL server. It could be a memory issue, and be sure to have daily backups at least of your data, just in case your database does get corrupted in a way that requires that you rebuild the tables, which you don't want to have happen, especially if you lose all the data.